know I just can't stay. That thin affliction, she'll be mine tonight. That thin affliction, waiting on one last bite. Welcome back to another episode. This episode we were on Lake Champlain doing some bass fishing. As you can probably tell, this isn't a normal intro. We lost some of the footage there in the shuffle, so please forgive us. I wanted to let everyone know that we're still giving away a free fishing trip. Like, share, and subscribe to our videos to get a chance to win that trip. As soon as we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to pick someone and choose a date and a place and get that all set up. I hope you guys stick around for the whole episode and you enjoy.
Where Hill would put our wacky worm on and whip it out there and sit there like this and fall asleep. Oh, I got one.
Yep. 6-pounder.
No. Yeah, it'd be a 6.5 pounder and it'd be freaking hooked in the asshole. They're getting bigger still. Crack them. This out, I'll show you. Another chunk. That one might come, well, I don't know if he's actually 2, but he's getting closer to 2. We'll get one by the end of the day here.
2-pounder, but he had the head of a 5-pounder on him.
Yeah. Yeah, these...
Oh no. Oh no. Do you have any sort of wiping materials with you?
Negative. I have the lockdown hose in back.
Oh.
You have a sweatshirt on. Plenty of cloth. Sacrifice the shirt under it, or if it's the hood, or I mean the hood, you're not using the hood.
I'd probably sacrifice my socks before anything. Sounds better.
Yeah, a little better. Not big, but bigger than the last one. Probably like a 12-incher.
Smalley.
Fatty. I don't know what that means, but
Nya. Nya, 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 nya.
down and start attacking.
He's getting momentum.
Yeah.
We're not going to eat your stuff. Oh, here he comes.
I mean, he'll probably work.
Just put a big egg sinker right on the shaft. Look at that turd cutter.
You shit on me, it's all over, bud. Oh, tip your nest over. Wow, look at all the windows over there. Holy shit.
Yeah.
that. I think he pulled the worm off. That bastard. He just kept nibbling it. Sucked it in, sucked on it, right up to the hook, let it slide back out.
Yep.
That felt like a blue gummer hit. Oh. Gotta be some huge bluegills in here.
That ain't a bad one.
3-pounder.
Yeah.
And the camera was pointing the wrong way. Well, guys, I did it again.
Yeah, I didn't have my camera on either.
Well, little chunky largemouth. Hooked him right in the tongue hole. Well, he wasn't getting away. That is unfortunate. Them trocar hooks really stick. Good to know, good to know. I didn't put the troll motor down yet. There's one. Woo! He getting air. He just jumped into the boat, jumped up and the boat was coming down at the same time. How big are you? Can I flip you? I'm flipping you.
Seems like the tube is like.
What? That was a drop shot. 2-pounder. Oh, he got my worm. Wow. I'll show you what I'm using here. Actually, up until now, I've been using a coffee tube, just in a green pumpkin color. And I just grabbed the drop shot. This Berkeley max scent hit where I'm on. Stanks. I like it so far. Look at it. Just so the point comes out with the tip. I really don't think it matters what you're using as long as it's kind of naturalish color and around the bottom. It took a long time to catch another one, but there's another one. Got me right now. Snagged in the back. Jeez. Got me a marlin. How close you gotta hold it to make it look really big?
Really close.
Oop, I touched it. I gotta put on some sunscreen on my neck before my wife yells at me, so I'm gonna cast this out. I'm gonna put some sunscreen on. Fire in the hole.
Hmm.
We should go up there.
They got burgers?
I think if you live on an island, you don't eat burgers.
They got steaks?
Probably. I'm sure there's food. There's probably like a charcuterie board.
I'll run up there. I'll be like, "You guys get steaks?" And they'll hand me one. I'll be like, "You got buns?" And I'll put that steak right between two buns and eat
Ketchup.
it. Yeah.
Ketchup. We don't eat buns. We have a croissant. Give me that croissant. I understand why that's such a big thing all of a sudden. I've always loved cheese and crackers.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, it was the ultimate poor person snack when I was growing up.
Yeah. I used to literally get a kebab. I'd eat a whole kielbasa with
Yeah, with cheese and crackers. Yep.
I didn't even need the cheese. The kielbasa and the crackers was the main dish. If there wasn't meat, I'd eat the cheese.
That or pepperoni.
Yeah.
My dad used to have us pan fry little pepperonis, so we could put. Have you ever tried that?
I have.
It is delicious. Pan fried pepperonis and cheese and crackers.
Oh, you put it on the cheese and crackers?
Yeah. Every time we go camping, a special cast iron pan for frying the mini pepperonis.
Do you put the cheese in there too to get it melted?
No.
You're gonna melt the cheese on the pepperoni like a burger and then slide it onto your.
One evolution at a time. How do they get a weed?
Yeah, I can do a number on cheese and pepperoni. I got one. Got one, guys. Ooh, it feels heavy.
I was gonna say it seems a little better. Maybe it is not a bass.
It's just swimming out. It's fighting like a pike or a largemouth. Oh, it's coming up. There it goes. Nope. God, what is this?
I'll eat it.
Ooh,
Might be a pike.
I'm going with largemouth.
Think so?
Yeah.
It'd be a decent one.
Pike. I changed my mind at the last minute there. I believe I was correct.
Yeah, largemouth usually don't bite the line off.
Well, they fight like that.
Yeah.
That's right by your feet. Ow! Ow! It looks to be about a 4-pounder. Are you recording?
Should be. What is it?
Did you snag it?
No, I didn't.
I got no idea what I'm doing. Slide the net over, I'll pull it out for you. That's a good one. Oh, it's got a bow. Oh, don't swallow. I saw pliers somewhere. Right here.
I got some in my. Well,
If you need them.
yeah, I'll take those, I guess. Might be the biggest one all day.
Took me 10 hours, but it's definitely your biggest. Hey guys, we're wrapping it up. We didn't do great today. We didn't do bad. Got a lot of smallmouth. Got one nice largemouth. Had a couple pike on, snap us off. All in all, not a bad day. Better than not fishing. So, hope you guys liked the video. And if you did, subscribe to see the next stuff coming out. Hopefully we're gonna get down to the ocean again and do some more tuna fishing. That's the next plan. So, stay tuned and see you guys next time.